Welcome to Girisha's Class YouTube channel. I shall discuss about the topic income from business and profession, presented by Girisham Assistant Professor Shri Arin Deshpande Government Postgraduate College, Mulugund, Gadag District. Definition of business under Section 2, Subsection 13 of the Income Tax Act, the business includes any trade, commerce, or manufacture, or any adventure or concern in the nature of trade, commerce, or manufacture. So, business means is generally it is any economic activity. So, for the purpose of earning profit means motive of profits. Definition of profession under Section 2, Subsection 36, profession includes vocation. Profession requires purely intellectual skill or manual skill on the basis of some special learning and qualifications gathered through past training or experience. Example, chartered accountant, doctor, lawyer, etc. Vocation implies natural ability of a person to do some particular work. Example, singing, dancing, for the purpose of earning nature. Income chargeable under the head income from business and profession under Section 28. Profits and gains of any business or profession, including speculative and non-speculative business transactions, shall be taxable under this head. Income of trade or professional association from rendering services to its members shall be taxable under this head. An export incentive in form of profit on sale of import license or cash assistance received by an exporter under government scheme or duty drawback for export is taxable under this head. The value of any benefit or perquisite, whether convertible into money or not, arising from business or profession shall be taxable under this head. Any interest, salary, bonus, commission or remuneration received by a partner from the partnership firm shall be taxable as business income in the hands of the partner under Section 40 subsection B. Conversion of stock into capital asset is taxable under the head capital gain. A person can do business with himself. It's called as notional profit. Hence, notional profit is not taxable. For example, a proprietor withdraw goods costing rupees 10,000 for personal use at an agreed value of rupees 12,000. Then profit of rupees 2,000 shall not be taxable. Anticipated or potential profit or loss which may or may not arise in future are not considered for deriving taxable income. Income is chargeable under the head profits and gains of business or profession only if the business is carried on by the assessee during the previous year. It is not necessary that the business should continue throughout the year or till the end of the previous year. Allowable expenses for specific deductions under Section 30 to 37. So here I shall explain only the important sections. The rent, rates, taxes, repairs and insurance for building under Section 30. Repairs and insurance of machinery, plant and furniture under Section 31. Depreciation under Section 32. So this section separate in the separate video briefly explain. Okay, deduction allowable under Section 36, general deduction under Section 37. So depreciation under Section 32 is separately explained in another video. So here remaining sections only from this video explaining. Rent, rates, taxes, repairs and insurance for building under Section 30. So points to be noted here. The use of building for the purpose of business or profession. The notional rent. Notional rent means rent paid to proprietor is disallowed. Means not allowed for deduction. Rent paid to proprietor is disallowed, but rent paid by firm to its partner for using his premises is an allowed expenditure. Here current repair versus capital repair. Only current repairs are allowed as deduction. Capital repairs are not allowed as deduction whether assessee occupies the building as a tenant or as a landlord. Current repair incurred to preserve and maintain an existing asset and a repair which does not result in a new or fresh advantage. Municipal taxes. Rates on taxes, for example land revenue, municipal tax etc. are deductible on cash basis. Repairs and insurance of machinery, plant and furniture under section 31. Points to be noted: use of asset for the purpose of business or profession. Current repair versus capital repair. Only current repairs are allowed as deduction. Capital repairs are not allowed, means disallowed for deduction. Rent for furniture, plant or machinery. Only repairs and insurance of machinery, plant and furniture is covered under this section. Rent paid for use of such asset is deductible under section 37 subsection 1. Deduction allowable under section 36. These are all the following deductions are allowable under section 36. Insurance premium for stocks on stores, insurance premium for life of the cattle, insurance premium for health of employee, bonus or commission to employee, interest on borrowed capital, discount on issue of zero coupon bonds, contribution by employer towards statutory provident fund, recognizable provident fund and superannuation fund, contribution towards notified pension schemes, contribution towards approved gratuity fund, employee contribution towards staff welfare fund, bad debts, provision for doubtful debts. General deductions under section 37. It must be real and not notional, fictitious or in lieu of distribution of profit, and it must be expended wholly or exclusively for the purpose of business or profession carried on by the assessee, and it must have been incurred in the previous year, and it must not be personal expenditure, it must not be capital expenditure, it must be lawful and not have been incurred for any purpose which is an offence or prohibited under any law. Disallowed expenditure under section 40. Whereas under section 30 to 37 subsection 1 deals with expenditure which is allowed. The Act also lists certain expenditures which are specifically disallowed under section 40. Interest, royalty, fees for technical services payable to a non-resident or outside India. Second point, any sum payable to a resident on which TDS provision is applicable. Income tax paid by the assessee on income of predecessor is not deductible. Professional tax is an allowed expenditure. Wealth tax, disallowed expenditure. Any payment which is chargeable under the head salary if it is payable outside India or to a non-resident. Thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.